Are these on? Right. Hello, my name's Andy. I work at Wessex IT, and today we are going to repair a laptop screen. So the first thing we want to actually ascertain is whether the screen itself is broken or whether there's something more internally going on in the computer. So we'll just open it up and take a look at it. And straight away, you can see that at the top of the screen here, there's a lot of almost not really pixelation, but you can just see lines across the top of the screen. And there is obviously a very defined line going down here where you can see the desktop image in the background, and up here, it all looks very weird. Okay. So now we use a plastic tool to get into the laptop. You just have to basically pry it apart around the edges, and yeah, you'll just take the back plate off. Okay. So now that we've got the base off, the next thing we want to do is disconnect the battery and remove it. So that would basically involve disconnecting this. So this is the battery here. This cable goes from the battery into the motherboard and connects here. So we want to disconnect it here, and then there are a few screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, which we'll have to unscrew and then just lift the battery out. This is the display cable. So the cable that's just connecting from the display into the board. Wireless card is also connected into the screen because that's how it works in a laptop. You have the wireless card in the motherboard, and then cables connect from the motherboard into the screen. They go around the outside of the screen, and those are the antenna for the Wi-Fi. That's how it works. So we need to disconnect that cable, and then we should have disconnected everything that we need in order to have the screen assembly come away from the motherboard. Now that we've removed the display assembly, we need to remove the bezel around the outside, which is just a case of using another plastic prying tool to get in there and just gently lift up the bezel, and then it should come away. And then once we're in there, the display is held in place with a number of screws, which we should just have to remove. And there may be a cable that we need to disconnect as well, but it should come away fairly easily. So this is the shiny new display that we'll be fitting, and we do everything that we've just done, but in reverse. So let's go. So here's the moment of truth. Turn it on, see if the repair has worked. I can get sofa up. I mean, it works. We can see. There you go. Lovely new screen, all nice hunky dory. And that is how you repair a laptop screen or replace a laptop screen.